Hey friends, today we are traveling to Colorado. We are going towards the boarding gate for the flight to Denver. So this is the first time in 8 months that we are flying, and the people are following social distancing rules, and everyone, in fact everyone, is wearing face masks and some are wearing face shields. So we are actually flying Southwest, and I in fact bought the flight tickets for free. I won't say for free. For two persons round trip, it costed me around $22. I had like 80,000 points on my account, and rather 80,000 points on my credit card account. I used a little bit to get these flight tickets. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to know how to fly anywhere in US for free. We are about to reach Denver airport. This is the view that we are now seeing from the aircraft. This is inside the Denver airport. We are going towards the baggage claim area. So this is the baggage claim area, guys. The ceiling is huge. So since we flew Southwest, we need to go this way. The baggage claim area is pretty far from the terminal, but there is a train service within the airport to transport from the arrival departure to the baggage claim area. So I'm checking what is the belt number for the flight that we flew in. Baggage claim number 8, it says. 8. 6, 7. So these two are our bags. I got it right here, and this is the second bag. So friends, we just left the Denver airport and took a shuttle bus to the rental car company. We are renting our car from Avis rental car company, and so yeah, we are headed that way now. I'll just show you guys the outside and the bus itself. We kept our luggage over there. So guys, this is the rental car lot. It's huge. It's really damn huge, and I'll have to go in there to get my car. And this is Avis, the rental car company from whom I'm renting the car. So you can see there are a lot of cars here, and the rental bus service is completely free. They offer service to all customers who have reserved a rental car, and they offer service from the airport to the booking counter. And that's not just for Avis, that's true for all the rental car companies. We have received our car and we are now heading towards Rocky Mountain National Park. On the way, there is lots of scenic view that you can enjoy, and the next video we will cover Rocky Mountain National Park. So keep an eye out for that. So please like, share and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Bye bye.